I'm gonna do some popping cooking. Hey guys, hi. I'm so tired and so hungry. I did not like the lunch at school today. Not at all. Was not good. So I'm getting ready to make some sushi. Would you like some sushi too? Yes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm going to get some napkins. I'll be right back. La 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 la. Finally, I'm done with homework. Wait, what? Sushi? Oh, I haven't had sushi in ages. Oh, definitely. Yeah, I'm taking this in my room and I'm gonna do it with all my animals. Sushi, sushi. Oh, what's going on? I got the napkins. Where's my sushi? No, where's all my sushi? Oh, hey, did you steal my sushi? What? Hi, how are you, Mirabel? I had some sushi over here and it just disappeared. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, I didn't take your sushi. I don't eat sushi. I wonder where my sushi went. Oh, well, anyway, I came here because I want to let you know something. Yes, what is it, Asha? Oh, don't be so sad about sushi. We'll get sushi. We'll go out and eat sushi. Nicey was the POPIN Cooking and I just wanted to do it. Oh, don't worry about it. We'll get some more. Wait right here. I want to show you what I found in Target today. You went to Target without me? Well, I didn't have school today. Why? Well, because it's President's Day. But what? I had to go to music class. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. Look what I found in Target. Wait, what is that? So, this is an LOL surprise, and it's Hello Kitty edition. What? That's amazing. I love Hello Kitty. I know, that's why I got it. I got it for you. Oh, you're so sweet. Wait a minute, I got another one. Wait, what? Another one? Wow, yes, another one. Because there are two to collect. Oh, wow, this is amazing. Okay, let's unbox them. What are we waiting for? Wow, guys, this is an LOL Hello Kitty. This is for their 50th anniversary. If you see the 50 right here, the 50 right here, I love the heart shape here. And I think this Hello Kitty comes with 7 surprises and they're absolutely adorable. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it is. I'm so excited. Whee! Let's see, guys. What a cute kitty cat. Let's see, guys. We have a bunch of blind bags. So let's see, what do we have? Let's get our doll first. Or no, maybe we should get the accessories first. And then we'll get the doll. Oh, how adorable. This is such a cute hat. And again, it has the 50 for their 50th anniversary. Let's see what else. We have a cute outfit. And again, it has Hello Kitty on it. This is kind of some shorts with a blouse on the top. Okay, and we have the top. Again, it has a Hello Kitty on it. Very cute. And let's see, guys, what else? Oh, we have adorable sunglasses with the bow. And we have a heart pin. And bubbles for her hair. Oh, wow. And we have a backpack, a Hello Kitty backpack. And again, it has the 50 on it. How adorable is this, guys? All right, and now let's see our doll. But before we do that, let's get her shoes. I wonder if she's gonna have Hello Kitty shoes too. So cute. This is adorable. Oh, wow. One is pink and one is blue. Wow, so cute. And let's see our beautiful doll. Wow, she is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow, so cute. dressed? Of course. Let's put your shorts on. Very good. Just like that. Oh, how cute. This is adorable. I love the gold on her outfit. What do you guys think? Okay. And we're going to put your top. And she has beautiful earrings. Even her earrings say 50. Oh, how cute. How adorable is this, guys? Okay, let's put your boots on. Just like this. Excellent. And the other one. Wow, guys, she is so cute. And now let's put your head on. Oh, so cute. So cute. And now she needs her pacifier. So cute. And her glasses, of course. Wow. Adorable. Yeah. How cute, guys. And I need my backpack, of course. And there she is. She is absolutely adorable. Wow, look at this, guys. So cute. Oh, she's blowing a bubble. I love it. Look how cute, guys. Oh, she is absolutely adorable. Well, hello, girls. Hi, you're such a cutie. Hey, can you unbox my sister? Because I can't wait to see her. Of course, of course. All right, guys, let's unbox the other one. I wonder if we got a duplicate or we might have the other one. That would be amazing. Let's see, guys. All right, ready? Whoop. There we are. And let's see, I can't wait. I'm just gonna go for the doll. Oh no, we have the same one. I'm kind of disappointed, but it's her twin sister. So let's go ahead and get her dressed real quick. All right. Here's her hat. And her backpack. And her pacifier. And her outfit. How cute. Let's get you dressed, my dear. Let's put your shorts on quickly. Your booties. Beautiful. And your top. And you're ready to go and play with your sister. My twin sister. Yes, your twin sister. And you need your backpack. Very nice. Okay. I also need my sunglasses, of course. Let's see your sunglasses. You're so cute, just like your sister. Oh, how adorable. Look at this, guys. Wow, they're so adorable. This is awesome because I get to hold one and you have one. Yes, and we don't need to fight which one takes which because they're both the same. They're so cute. Oh, you know what I have to do? I have to go back to Target and see if I can find the other one. Why don't we find out what their names are? Ooh, what a great idea. Let's see, guys, we got some cute stickers. We have the doll sticker and we have the backpack sticker. And her name is Crystal Cutie. Oh, I just love it. Okay, Crystal Cutie, do you want to go with me and buy some sushi? Oh, what a great idea. Let's go to the supermarket. And then we're going to stop by Target to see if we can get the other one. Oh, brilliant idea. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time with my sushi, I promise. Bye. Hey, they can separate us. Yeah. What are we going to do? Let's go and have some sushi with Bruno. What a great idea.